Assalamualaikum students. Okay students, now we are going to start our next exercise of your unit number 5 on page number 36, which is your analysis of a paragraph. हम किस तरह से किसी भी पैराग्राफ को जो है राइट करते हैं, तो उसमें से जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स होते हैं उन की पॉइंट्स को हम किस तरह से एनालाइज करते हैं. First, look at your page number 36. First is you have to pick up the definition. What is the about the topic? टॉपिक पे जो डेफिनेशन दी गई है, सबसे पहले हम उसको देखेंगे. वो सबसे हमारा इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट जो होगा वो होगा. उसके बाद द सेकंड वन इज उसकी एग्जांपल्स दी हुई होंगी, एक्सप्लेनेशन दी होगी, कॉज एंड इफेक्ट दिया हुआ होगा. The next one is the evidence, कि उसी पे एविडेंस किस तरह से दिया जाता है उसको प्रूव करने के लिए. The last one is the illustration. Illustration is the picture description, कि पिक्चर से जो है डिस्क्राइब कोई चीज की जाती है, उसको it is called the illustration. Okay student, now I am going to read this paragraph. Different people may have different phobias. Phobias, fear of something. A phobia is an irrational sort of fear that can cause avoiding and the panic. क्या होता है? This is the definition of the phobia. So you will underline it. The next is phobias are a relatively common type of anxiety disorder. This is the now come on the example. I could not swim as I had aquaphobia. That is the fear of water. This is the example he is describing by himself by giving the example that he cannot swim because he has the aquaphobia. The reason was once I fell into a lake mistakenly when I was just 4 years old. This is the cause that he fell in the lake mistakenly, and what was the effect on it? That he has the fear of fear because of that incident. So this is the cause and effect. But when I was just 4 years old, I was saved by the rescue team. But the fear of water remained in my nerves as I grew older. My father helped a lot this regard. He made me get out of the fear of water. I learned swimming afterwards and overcame my fear. These are the related details of that cause and effect. The next one is, then I came to know that nothing is impossible in life if you have strong ambitions. As Nelson Mandela said, the brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. This is the evidence from he gave the evidence with the example of the Nelson Mandela. And the pictures are also mentioned in this paragraph, with this paragraph. So this is the illustration. So this is how you analyze a paragraph. This is the whole procedure, that how you collect the key points of any paragraph. Now come on the next page, your page number 37. This is how you write the important skills. How you write the what are the skills you need to write a summary. समरी के लिए हम किस तरह से करते हैं? Same is the process with the paragraph as you read in it. The definition, the cause and effect, the evidence, example, and the illustration. You will write the summary of this chapter by using same technique. You will apply these techniques on this text. अब आप summary किस तरह से लिखेंगे इस chapter की? Definitely सबसे पहले you have to write the whole the important events of this chapter. The summary is written on the board. Look at it. How I learned swimming is a story of a boy who had aquaphobia. As once he fell into a lake mistakenly, but he saved by the rescue team. After many years, his parents took the issue seriously and forced him to learn swimming to get rid of his fear.